How to bring back settings icon if missing on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can bring back the missing settings icon on your Android phone. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, swipe up from your home screen and tap on the search bar at the top. And here simply type in settings and you should see the settings app pop up right here. So just tap and hold on it, and then after that simply tap on add to home, and now you can see it's back on your home screen. So here you can drag it wherever you like. And if you're not seeing the option, you can just tap and hold on the settings icon again and choose locate apps, and it will jump where the app is and make it jiggle or highlight, so you know exactly where it's hiding. Now, if that still doesn't help, it might be hidden. So here is how you can check. So open the search bar again and this time simply tap on the three dots at the top right. And after that simply choose settings from that menu, and after that simply scroll down and tap on hide apps on home screen or app screens. And if the settings is checked here, that means it's hidden. So just uncheck it and tap on done, and that should bring it back. And after that you can go back to your home or app screen and swipe up, and here you should see the settings icon is back where it belongs. And that's it. That's how you can bring back settings icon if missing on Android. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.